Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo N53 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number. The first one requires entering the contact list, so you can block the number you've got currently saved, and the other one is more manual. So let's start with your contact list. Let's find the contact you want to block and tap on it. So let me pick Harry. Then let's tap on the three-dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So let's tap on block if you are ready. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that you will now receive anything from this number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on this option, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. The other way to block a number is, as I said, more manual. We have to enter the dialer here. Then let's tap on the three-dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers, and here we've got our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts, so the previous way also works. And here we have to tap on add a number, and thanks to this we can manually enter the number we want to block. Of course, you can also paste it if you've got it copied, and then tap on block. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What's more, you can use this unknown option. You can just turn it on and off with the usage of the switcher, and thanks to this you can block the calls from all unidentified callers. You can also unblock those numbers just by tapping on this X button right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.